I'm guessing it's a whole new front brake assembly gone on that Kawasaki Racing Team machine, the number 81. The rider in green, Jeremy Van Hoorbeek, he's got Tony Cairoli looking to go down the inside though, 222 on a KTM and takes the Belgian wide and parks him, and Cairoli goes down. They get tangled, and Cairoli, well, that was just one of those things where he tried to go wide, opening lap, or second lap. Oh, has he got a problem with the rear wheel as well? No, just the angle of the camera. Just tried to take Van Hoorbeek wide. And Claudio De Carli, he is disappointed in that manoeuvre. Cairoli already on the deck as Tommy Searle goes through. So De Sale, Bobachev, Van Hoorbeek, De Dijk are the top four. Tommy Searle now in fifth. That's who we're on board with now on the CLS Monster Energy Pro Circuit Kawasaki. Watch this. Cairoli just goes in, tries to run Van Hoorbeek wide. And then the rear wheel's got to spin around. And was using rubber on the rear wheel of Jeremy Van Hoorbeek's bike. He just had nowhere to go, he just had to lay it down.